Are you experiencing a decreased sex drive? You're not alone. Low libido affects many people due to stress, hormonal imbalances, or lifestyle factors. The good news? Natural remedies can help. In this video, we'll explore the causes of low libido and the best natural ways to reignite your passion. Let's dive in. Common causes of low libido. Before fixing the problem, let's understand the causes. Low libido can result from stress and anxiety. Cortisol disrupts hormones. Hormonal imbalance, low testosterone or estrogen. Poor diet and lack of exercise affects blood flow and energy. Lack of sleep reduces testosterone production. Medications and health conditions, antidepressants, diabetes, etc. Top natural remedies. Adaptogenic herbs like ashwagandha reduce stress and boost testosterone. Maca root enhances stamina, while ginseng improves blood flow. Try them in teas or supplements. 2. Healthy fats and libido-boosting foods. Your diet matters. Healthy fats, avocados, nuts, support hormone production. Oysters are rich in zinc, and dark chocolate boosts serotonin, key for arousal. 3. Exercise and pelvic floor strength. Exercise increases blood flow and testosterone. Try yoga, cardio, or Kegels to strengthen pelvic muscles and enhance sensitivity. 4. Sleep and stress management. Poor sleep kills libido. Aim for 7 to 9 hours nightly. Meditation and deep breathing also lower stress, balancing hormones naturally. 5. Essential oils and aphrodisiac scents. Scents like ylang-ylang, sandalwood, and rose can stimulate arousal. Use them in massages or diffusers for a sensual atmosphere. Low libido doesn't have to be permanent. With these natural remedies, herbs, diet, exercise, and stress management, you can reclaim your passion. Try them and see the difference.